If precision and versatility are what you seek in your woodworking endeavors, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the world of the best 12-inch sliding miter saws. From seamless bevel cuts to efficient crosscuts, these power-pack tools are a game-changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional carpenter. Check out the links in the description box for more details on our top picks. Now, let's unleash the cutting-edge potential together. Bosch GCM 12-inch sliding miter saw. The Bosch GCM 12-inch sliding miter saw redefines precision in woodworking with its axial glide system, delivering wider crosscuts and better alignment while saving valuable workspace. With 15-amp power combined with a 60-tooth blade, offers versatile cutting capacity, from 14-inch horizontal to 6.5-inch vertical. This miter saw boasts an adjustable and easy-to-read bevel, stainless steel miter scales, and a remarkable 90% dust collection efficiency. The upfront bevel controls, square lock fences, and large bevel lock lever enhance user experience. With a compact design and upfront controls, it's a powerhouse that provides efficient, accurate, and space-saving cutting. Backed by a limited 1-year warranty, it stands as a durable choice for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Delta 26-251 12-inch sliding miter saw. Meet your cutting needs with the Delta 26-251, a powerful and compact 12-inch sliding miter saw. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it features a shadow guide cutting line for precise accuracy, a 15-amp motor, and a forward-located dual bevel lever for easy adjustments. Weighing only 57 lbs, it's portable and perfect for tight workspaces. The military-grade aluminum frame and 18 heavy-duty bearings ensure smooth operation and longevity. With 7 positive bevel stops and crown molding capabilities, it's a versatile saw offering reliability and convenience in any woodworking project. Makita LST Rove 19 12-inch sliding miter saw. The Makita LS 1219 12-inch sliding miter saw combines innovation and power for superior cutting performance. Its unique 2-steel rail sliding system allows single slide glide operation, reducing the saw footprint for flush wall operation. Boasting an increased capacity for crown molding and an in-front bevel lock for convenient adjustments, it stands out. The direct drive motor and guard system provides enhanced vertical cutting capacity, and dual dust collection ports ensure efficient dust extraction. With 8-inch crown molding and 15-inch crosscuts at 90 degrees, it's a versatile choice. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, Makita LS 1219 is a top-tier sliding compound miter saw. Skilsaw Speed 88 12-inch sliding miter saw. The Skilsaw Speed 88 12-inch sliding miter saw is a dynamic tool that blends power, durability, and portability. With a worm drive system, it offers relentless power ideal for demanding jobs, weighing the lightest in its class and featuring an LED shadow light. It ensures precise cuts with greater accuracy than lasers. The 15-amp dual-field motor keeps things cool, enhancing longevity, offering a 4x14 crosscut capacity, dual bevel cutting, and adjustable bevel stop presets. It provides flexibility and accuracy. With a 1-year limited warranty plus 180-day stay-true guarantee, it's a reliable and durable tool for woodworking projects. Milwaukee 6955 12-inch sliding miter saw. The Milwaukee 6955 12-inch sliding miter saw with digital miter angle. Fine Adjust is a powerhouse tool for high-performance cutting in hard lumber. Precision is at your fingertips with a digital readout and miter angle. Fine Adjust, ensuring repeatable accuracy to 0.1 degree. Equipped with dual integral job site lights, an electronic soft start feature, and constant power technology, it excels in visibility, smooth starts, and consistent speed under load. The oversized single-lever bevel adjustment with whirl-positive bevel stops allows easy beveling left and right, 0 degrees to 48 degrees. This durable saw with exceptional dust collection maximizes efficiency on the job site. Craft perfection with the best 12-inch sliding miter saws, where precision meets power. Elevate your woodworking game, cut through challenges effortlessly, and let every angle tell a story of craftsmanship.